peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
It's good. Hello, my name is Meir Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and my specialties is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental rug without using any chemicals. No scrubber, no dust buster, no centrifuge machine. I clean a beautiful Oriental rug that is saturated with a dog or cat's urine odor, and I provide you 1000%. No trace of any odor, any. No deodorized, no enzyme, and no pee-pee. Guarantee. So let me show you what I have today. What's the difference between Oriental rug cleaning or urine odor removal from the Oriental rug? Is there any difference between two of them? Absolutely. A big difference. Let me explain. Oriental rug cleaning is cleaning the Oriental rug on the surface from dirt, soil, grease, a regular cleaning. The same cleaning process that's carpet must be shampooed sometimes. And how they shampoo the carpet? They clean it on the surface. And what the difference to clean the urine odor? The Oriental rug must be cleaned through. The cleaning product have to flood the rug on the top, and the vacuum must extract all the liquid, all the cleaning product through the rug. This cleaning process will wash the rug thoroughly through. So all the crystal, all the urine particle will be washed out completely. PetPeePee, we build a machine and the cleaning product that's clean Oriental rug through. This is how we receive nationwide service, 5-star reviews on Google.